So students, let us discuss one more problem based on trigonometric identities from 10th standard of CBSE and ICSE. Just see here, let us see what the problem is. We need to prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So here this would be our LHS and we need to show this RHS. So how to show this? Just see. LHS part would be, okay, tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta, tan theta minus secant theta plus 1, right? This was the LHS part. But here, dear friends, I just want to tell you one thing, that every problem will not be same. Okay, only hard work is not important. Sometimes you need to think smart to obtain the answer. Here also we need to think smart here to do this problem. Okay, how to get the answer for this? Just see here. I just want to take the advantage of secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, which is second trigonometric identity we proved. Okay, so now in reverse, what can I say? 1 can be substituted by secant square theta minus tan square theta or not? Yes, we can substitute secant square theta minus tan square theta in the place of 1. Got it? So we do same here also. How many places we have 1 here? This is 1 and this is 1. We shouldn't substitute in this and this also. Okay, then problem will be gone clumsy. It will never be solved. We need to choose this one only. It depends on your spontaneity. Understood? You need to think smart. That's why I said you need to think smart here. So let us choose this one and put it there. Okay, tan theta plus secant theta minus. Now in place of this 1, I am substituting what? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta, right? You need to put brackets because there is minus sign in front of that. Okay, now just see. Now look at this again. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. See, don't touch the denominator. Leave it as it is. Now what we have to do? So tan theta plus secant theta, okay, minus. Since this is in the form of what? Secant square theta minus tan square theta means this is in the form of a square minus b square. So how can we write this? A square minus b square. A square minus b square can be splitted into a plus b into a minus b from algebra, right? So we can substitute here. Okay, we can split this in this form. If you consider secant theta as a and tan theta as b, so this is in the form of a square minus b square. So it can be further splitted into a plus b into a minus b. That means secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Let us write it down. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, now this by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay, now just see here how many terms are there. Let me underline. See, in this is one term and this is one term. In these two terms, which is the common expression over there? Yes, here tan theta plus secant theta, here also tan theta plus secant theta. See, both are same or not? So we can take common secant theta plus tan theta over here from these two terms in the numerator part. Let us take it. Secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, secant theta plus tan theta I took in common. When secant theta, so just I need to write downside because space is insufficient. Let me rub this once. Okay, just for a moment. Okay, now I took common secant theta plus tan theta, right? Okay, into, now when secant theta plus tan theta is took out, then this is one only is left here, minus. Here secant theta minus tan theta is left over with minus n in front of that. Secant theta minus tan theta, take care, you need to put bracket for that because minus n is there. Okay, then just see here, tan theta, okay, minus secant theta plus 1. Okay, here for a moment, secant theta plus tan theta into, just see here, let me write a 1 minus into secant theta, minus into plus secant theta, minus secant theta, minus into minus, that would be plus tan theta. Okay, now write down tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay, now just see here, let me write it here also, just see. So let me write like secant theta plus tan theta into 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta by, okay, write this one first, 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. Just see, I wrote this one here and tan theta here, that's it. I changed the order, same expression I wrote again. So if you just observe, these two terms are same, we can cancel. 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta is getting cancelled in upper part and lower part. So what is left over here? Secant theta plus tan theta. So maximum it is simplified, but we didn't get our required answer. Okay, we didn't obtain our required answer because given answer is in the terms of sin and cos. So better you convert this secant theta and tan theta also in terms of sin and cos. So just let us write it down. Secant theta can be further expressed as what? 1 by cos theta or not? Yes, exactly, because secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Means secant theta can be expressed as 1 by cos theta and cos theta can be expressed as 1 by secant theta. Okay, now tan theta can be expressed as, tan theta is a ratio of sin theta to cos theta. So therefore we can write this as sin theta by cos theta. Right, now tell me here, since these two are like fractions, because denominators are same, we don't need to take the LCM. We can put we can write cos theta as it is in commonly to both the fractions, and we can add numerator parts directly, 1 plus sin theta. Right, now I think we obtained our required RHS part. Okay, so therefore we took LHS and we obtained RHS. And remember something, that here this problem is given in 1992 and 2002 for CBSE board examinations, right? Anyways, whether it might be given or not, it doesn't matter. But if you want to improve your knowledge up to 10th standard level, I'm not telling it is more deeper than that. Okay, up to 10th standard level, this all the problems you need to get practice to improve your solving skills of trigonometric equations or trigonometric expressions. Right, so using trigonometric identities we are solving all this. And what is the key point to answer this question? Yes, here this one is playing a key role so that you can obtain the answer. Okay, this is only the way to do this problem. Anyways guys, I think you might have understood this problem, and if you are expecting any other topic, any other difficult problem from us, then you can definitely put them in the comment section. We'll definitely go through that and we'll consider the valid comments and try to make the videos based on your opinions in the comment section.